Hello, everyone. I'm Philly, and then my teammate Incho. Here we're presenting our final product of the restaurant app. What is unique about our app? It is heavily focused on user experience. So we play test everything to make sure it is working just like a real world app. It's intuitive, it's easy to use, and it takes a few steps to all the key functions. And then also we make sure it's highly integrated with Firebase, which means whenever you have new information to add in, we can just add one more collection on Firebase instead of hard code everything into the app and do a version update. So our original plan was like this, including 4 main menus and a couple of the uh, artillery functions. And we pretty much fulfilled um, all the functions, made a couple of minor updates. So what is missing is the call for service, future improvement, like the comments section, and then probably a couple games that's related to it. But we also added something new. So we have the popular and discount item at the main menu. We have the order history page, and we also have a GPS integrated into our app to determine the closest restaurant. And then here my teammate will tell you the structure of the app.
So our main activity is basically about login and sign up fragments, and it is very intuitive to use. And we also have unique functions that we can view the password in the sign up page if we click the eyes. Yes, and please log into the next page. And in our home activity, we have all the main functions within different fragments, and we can go to different fragments by clicking the navigation bar at the bottom. And in the first fragment, we're displaying most popular items and good deals of the week. And in our second fragment, we are displaying menus, including main dishes, desserts, and appetizers. And we also serve checkout functions in the last fragments. And in our profile fragments, we can display user profiles and his order history. And we can also feel free to update the profile dynamically. And in our accessory fragments, we can see the locations of the restaurants. And also we can switch to different branches. And by clicking the map, we can go into the Google Map app to view it dynamically. And yes, so please go to other
So
pages.
we can basically skip everything right here.
Yeah.
All right, now we can demonstrate a little bit about the checkout page. Assuming we ordered one Coke and we ordered another cake. At the checkout page, we should see everything in the list, and they should add up to the correct amount. And whenever you delete it, it's just gone. And we can click checkout, and you can see all the payment options together with a dining or takeout option, together with a location selection. At the main page, there's a toast that will tell you the closest restaurant, so you can enter it right here. It's for better convenience. And when you click on the payment, there you go. It goes into the history. And that's the one we just placed at the very top. All right.
So if you click the image of a food item, you can see some more information about this item. For example, if you see the budae jjigae, you can if it is available, you can see an order button that you can add it to your shopping carts. And if it is sold out, you can see you can order this fruit by entering this activity. And if this food has a discount, you can see both the original price and its current price.
We have basically implemented the functions that we proposed originally. Some features were added, some were deducted, but the whole structure was roughly the same. And we were trying to make the app perform just like any other apps you can find on Play Store. So we really focused on the UI element of the design. For example, we put everything that we can see, um, the most important options down on the bottom menu, so it's easy to switch around. And then we also make sure that the function you need is at the place. For example, you can see the tabs on the top. You can see the checkout right after the menu, and you can see the delete button at its place. And also, um, every single button is either very obvious or well marked. So for future expectations, although this semester is approaching its end, we're still trying to make more progress. We plan to take user feedbacks and make our apps more satisfying and eventually putting our resume for a future career. And so for the plan, we will put in the entertainment module and together with the membership management module with coupon systems. And we learned a lot from this class. We really appreciate the help and assistance we got from our professor and TA throughout the semester. We sincerely appreciate your time and patience, and thank you again.
Thank you.